If you hold in a sneeze, your body pays a price. Your nasal cavity traps explosive pressure building rapidly inside. Your diaphragm contracts violently, forcing air pressure upward fast. Your lungs compress instantly, pressure with nowhere left to escape. Trapped pressure rockets up into your eustachian tubes now. Your eardrums could rupture from that sudden dangerous pressure surge. Blood vessels in your head and neck strain under intense pressure. Your throat and vocal cords absorb a violent pressure wave instantly. Intracranial pressure spikes sharply, putting your brain at risk. Doctors have recorded ruptured throats from one suppressed sneeze. Next time you feel one coming, just let it out.